Oak Park Festival Theater is dedicated to excellence in the presentation of vital theatrical works, ranging from Shakespearean dramas to challenging contemporary plays. As the Western Suburbs' premier professional theater company for almost 4 decades, Festival Theater continually produces visceral and powerful productions of the highest artistic merit. Beyond the stage, Festival Theater has provided invaluable educational opportunities and is thoroughly committed to its role as an integral and active member of the community. As we continue our unwavering commitment to enrich audiences of all ages, we need help behind the curtain. We dedicate the majority of our limited resources to an outstanding artistic product, often struggling for the most basic of marketing and communication needs. We look to the Grant for Good for guidance and partnership. With your help, Oak Park Festival Theater can continue to engage and thrill audiences with captivating classics, brilliant comedy, and boundless creativity.